Are you stuck in a cycle of firefighting? You walk into work, and before you can even grab your coffee, there's a new deviation report on your desk, another line stoppage, another nonconformance. Your day becomes a whirlwind of containment, root cause analysis, and corrective action plans. You spend hours writing reports, attending meetings to explain what went wrong, and then verifying that the fix was implemented. By the end of the day, you've put out the fire, but you're exhausted. You go home, and the next morning, it starts all over again. A different problem, a different line, but the same frantic cycle. Sound familiar? This is the life of a reactive quality professional. You're constantly looking in the rearview mirror, dealing with problems that have already happened. It's essential work, of course, but it's not where we create the most value. It's time to shift our perspective from reactive problem solving to strategic problem prevention. So how do we make that leap? The key is something you've probably heard of but maybe haven't fully embraced in your daily work: risk-based thinking. This isn't just some buzzword from the ISO 9001 standard. It's a fundamental change in mindset. Instead of asking, what went wrong? We start asking, what could go wrong? It's about looking at your processes with a critical, forward-thinking eye. Think of yourself as a detective, but instead of solving a crime that's already been committed, you're preventing it from ever happening. You're looking for clues, for vulnerabilities, for the weak spots in the system before they break. Let's make this practical. Instead of waiting for a machine to produce out-of-spec parts, a strategic quality professional asks, where's this process most vulnerable? Is it the raw material variability? Is it the machine's calibration schedule? Could operator fatigue on third shift lead to an error? Instead of just documenting a human error, you ask, what in our system allowed this error to occur? Is the work instruction unclear? Is the training insufficient? Is the workstation poorly designed, making the right action difficult and the wrong action easy? This is strategic thinking in action. You're not just recording problems, you're anticipating them. You're analyzing the entire system of people, the equipment, the methods, the materials to identify potential failure points before they impact your product, your customer, and your bottom line. When you make this shift, your role transforms. You are no longer just the quality police or the problem recorder. Who shows up when things go bad? You become a process improver, a strategic partner to the operations team. You're seen as the person who helps prevent downtime, reduce scrap, and make everyone's job easier. This not only elevates your career and makes you indispensable to the organization, but it also improves the company's performance and profitability. You move from being a cost center to a value creation engine. Your daily work becomes more fulfilling because you're not just fighting fires, you're building a fireproof system. Breaking the reactive cycle isn't easy. But it starts with asking different questions. It starts with dedicating a small part of your day to looking forward instead of backward. If you're ready to move from being a problem recorder to a process improver and a strategic leader in your organization, you're in the right place. This is just the beginning of our deep dive into strategic quality management. Make sure to follow our series, as we'll be sharing more practical tools and insights to help you make this crucial shift. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.